This is Damian McNamara with Global Medical News Network, and I'm at the Skin Disease Education Foundation Women's and Pediatric Dermatology Seminar in San Francisco. With me is Dr. Joseph Fowler of the University of Louisville in Kentucky. Dr. Fowler, thank you for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
My question is, there are a lot of confusion among patients about what constitutes a natural skincare product?
Natural products have been used for centuries in skincare. Back in ancient Egypt, we used the oatmeal was used even back then, and has been used, and many others have been used since then. There is a definition that the FDA has given for natural skincare products or natural ingredients, and basically it means it must come from either animal or plant product. So organic is a little different term that also gets confused sometimes, and that's different. But natural means it cannot have any artificial or synthetic components.
How about some of the specific naturals that you're talking about? Like, for example, colloidal oatmeal and oat lipids. You said these have been around for a long time. Can you explain how those are beneficial in dermatology?
Of all the natural ingredients we have, I think the oatmeal ingredients, the colloidal oatmeal, is probably the one that's been studied the most and is probably the most useful and found in the widest variety of products. There are several features of the colloidal oatmeal that can be useful. It has anti-inflammatory effects, and in fact, something that I think is very interesting and exciting is that it has been found in the last few years that a component of colloidal oatmeal called avenanthramide carries the majority of the anti-inflammatory effect of the colloidal oatmeal. Now, in the oatmeal, it's a fairly small fraction, and so it can be added and accumulated and used in addition to the oatmeal itself to enhance the anti-inflammatory effect of various products. Also, there are lipids, there are components of what we call natural moisturizing factor, which includes some amino acids and some sugars. And so the oat itself actually has quite a few things that can be useful in helping to seemingly to rebuild the skin barrier, which is what we're trying to achieve with moisturizers, for instance.
Okay, another product you're talking about, or another natural, is Feverfew, and I wasn't aware of this one, but you said it's appropriate for patients for sensitive skin. Can you tell me why that works particularly well?
Feverfew has been looked at. Feverfew, first of all, is the parthenolide family of plants, and one thing that's important to remember when we're talking about Feverfew in skincare products is that you have to have parthenolide-free Feverfew, also called PFE. The reason is that parthenolide is a family of plants that can cause a lot of skin allergy, and so you've got to get rid of the allergy part of the plant extract. Once you do that, you're left with the Feverfew extract, and it turns out that that extract does have also quite a bit of anti-inflammatory and also antioxidant effect.
This has been Damian McNamara, Global Medical News Network.